Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I will try to bring something different. Is this kind of object. I will try to teach you how to create a full PBR asset. I will show the modeling, the texturing, the high poly, and the material creation substance designer, and the communication of designer substance painter. I know I already bring um, this conversation before, but it's much more simple. It's just showing the parameters, but this is applied in the asset itself. So I really hope you enjoy it, and if you like, please comment and I can bring more video like this. So let's start. So let's start. The first thing I will start creating a box. Very simple box. I will scale into something like this. Okay, perfect. And I will convert to editable poly. And this one I will select all these back faces right here, and I will create an insert. I will change the insert mode to group, and I will decrease a little bit the size of this. So as you can see, the top part is bigger than the sides one, so I will select these two on the sides and I will scale down just a little bit to make this more uniform. I will make the same thing right here at the bottom part. Okay, what I will do is just select the top part and I will drag down just a little bit, something like this should work well. And okay, now let me scale down the top part. What I will do right now is select all those faces because I will make an extrude. Something like this should work. And I will create another insert right here at the front. Again, as you can see, the sides is smaller than the top part, so scale down too. And this one will be a big extrude, something like this. Okay, what we will do right now is let's go back to the front. I will right there and select the cylinder, and I will drag and create a cylinder. I will decrease the size to 8, but the height segment will be just 1. So I think it's very big, so let's scale down the size. Copy and paste. Okay. What I will do right now is create another box for the locker. So let me scale. I think it's bigger than I thought. Maybe something like this should work well for what I want. Let me select these two and drag back a little bit, something like this. We create insert and a very small extrude from the back. And what I will do now is create the the sting at the front. So first I will create a cylinder, like this one, and two. Where is that form? I think it's this one. Yes, it's this one. So the segments, the sides will be 8. I think something like this should work well. Okay, what I will do now is create some cylinders. So so the radius I will change to a high value. And what I will do is, let me select all those ones, make an edit poly, and I will select all those all the faces right there, and deselect this one because I want to delete. Maybe increase the segments to 10 will help in the silhouette. So what we do is select the back face of this one and just create an insert and an extrude. So let's attach all of this together and drag and put right here. Okay. So what we will do now is create the feet of my model. So it will be very simple. It's just a box. Okay. What we will do is create a connect in the middle of this one. Is scale at the size just to make a better roundness for this model. And what we do is drag this one right here, like this too, and drag again for the sides, and perfect. Okay, now let's try make some roundness for my model. So first thing, I will try to connect all these edges and create a chamfer. Okay, I'll make the same thing for I think this part we don't need at all. So let me move directly for this one. Mhm. Maybe I can start make the chamfers at the sides to make a bigger one. something like this. What we'll do is take a target wild and connect this one right here, and after that select this one and make a chamfer too. And that is our model for now. I will just make some quick adjustments at the smoothing group for this big one too. Let me attach all those supports in just one group. Okay, what we do is select all of this, and make a manual one, because I will select only the middle part and will unify in just one group. For example, the one, the other parts can be don't, no matter what. Okay, so the next step will be the UV. Oh, I just forget one thing. Like, this is a door, so I can make a chamfer for this side too. So the next step will be the UV, and I see you next time.